Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to edit cover image on your LinkedIn profile. So this one is pretty easy and simple. I will show you right now how to do it. Navigate to your profile picture right here and click on View Profile. Once you are here, as you can see, here is your banner or your cover image. Click on this pencil icon right in the right corner and click on Edit Cover Image. Now, once you have this window, you can zoom into your image just by dragging this right and left. You can also straighten it and curve it just by dragging it right to left. So make your adjustments, click on Filters, and you can pick the filter that you like. And then you can adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, or vignette. So adjust all of this and then simply click on Change Photo or Apply. You can also change it to a different one or apply the changes. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.